In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel properly in a step-by-step process. So as you can see, this is our YouTube channel. Now to create a new one, on the top right corner, here you can see the logo. Click on it, and after clicking, this type of window will appear. Click on switch account. As you can see here is a switch account. Now this type of window will appear. If you have any YouTube channel, then you can see like this. But if you don't have any YouTube channel, then you only see your profile name. Now to create an account, click on add account here. Now you have to create your own Gmail. Now to create own Gmail, click on create account. And if you want to create for personal, you can use for personal. If you want for your child, then you can click on for my child. And if you want for your business, you can click for my business. For now, I'm clicking on this personal use. Okay, now let's create an Gmail account. Okay, now my account name will be, okay, this is my first name, this is my last name. Okay, now click on next. Now add your date of birth. So my date of birth is June 14 and 2005. If you are female, click on female. If you are male, then click on male. Then if you are something else, then you can click on, rather not say. For now, I am a male, so I'm clicking on male. Okay, now click on next. Here you can see Google will recommend Gmail. So you can choose from here or you can create your own. Okay, for now, I'm clicking on this satisfyingunbox83@gmail.com. Okay, now click on next and now create a strong password. Okay, now click on next and now choose the country where you are living and put your phone number. Okay, this is my country and phone number and click on next. Now after that, you'll get a notification on your mobile phone. This is the code I received. Okay, now after that, click on next. And here is the recovery email address. So you can add a recovery email address, which will be your main one. Or if you want to skip, you can skip it. For now, I'm going to put my mail email. Okay, this is my main email. Okay, click on next. And yeah, this is my phone number, which I have already given. Click on next. And after that, you'll get this type of window. And read this all and you can choose any of this. For now, I'm going to skip it. And yeah, after that, click on next. Now your Gmail is almost ready. And after that, you will get this type of YouTube window. Now to create a channel, click here on top right corner. Here you can see the logo. Click on it. And here you can see the create a channel. Click on it. And as you can see, this is your channel name and this is your channel handle. And here you can see select picture. If you have the logo, you can put your logo. If you don't, then you can choose any of this. For now, I have the logo for my channel. This is my logo. So as you can see, this is my logo and done. And as you can see, our logo is appeared now. Now click on create channel. Now we are all set and we have created a YouTube channel. Now after creating that, you should put the logo and banner. Okay, now to put the logo and banner, click on customize channel. A new window will appear, which is YouTube Studio. Okay, click on continue. And here you can see it has asked for banner. Now you should upload the banner. Now to create the banner, you can simply go on Canva, simply search Canva and go on template and you can search YouTube banner. And now here you can see different type of banner. You can use this template as well, or you can also create a new one with Photoshop using this ratio, which is 2048 by 1152. And remember, your banner should be less than 6 MB. And after creating the banner, you can click on upload the banner. Here you can see, here I have already created the banner. So click on it and open. And as you can see, this is my banner, which I have created. And after uploading this, click on done. Now you have uploaded your banner. As you can see here, this is our banner. Here is a logo which we have already uploaded on the profile picture. This will be our logo. If you want to change it, you can. For banner also, if you want to change later, you can change it. And now here is our channel name and this is our handle. And here tell your viewers what your channel about and write the description about your channel. And at the bottom here you can see the video watermark. Now to put this, click on upload. And here you can see the logo. Click on it and upload it. Now it's saying it should be less than 1 MB or smaller. You can compress it by going on Google and searching image compressor. Now I've already compressed it. Now click on upload and click on logo and open. And as you can see here, you can customize your watermark. Place it in the center like this and click on done. Okay, Now choose the display time. If you want to put this logo at the end, click on end of the video. If you want it on the start of the video, then click on start. And if you want this watermark should be appeared here the whole time, then click on entire video. For now, I am clicking on end of the video, and here you can see the publish. Click on publish. Now your YouTube channel is published. And yeah, this is how you can create your YouTube channel in a simple way. Thank you.